Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get a Geico motorcycle insurance quote. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into the video. Now the first step is going to be to go to the Geico website, and then you want to click on get a quote in the top right corner. So once you're on the Geico website, log into your account and then click on get a quote in the top right corner. Next, you're going to be required to enter your state or zip code to begin the quote process. So go ahead and enter that, and once that's done, just choose your insurance type. So now you're going to select motorcycle as the type of insurance that you're interested in. And once you have that done, you're going to enter your motorcycle's information. So go ahead and enter your motorcycle's make, model, and year. Now you're going to be required to provide some of your personal information. So you're going to need to provide your name, date of birth, and your social security number. Once that's done, you might also be required to answer questions about your riding history and experience. So just go ahead and provide the required answers to those questions. Once you're done with that, you just want to review your quote and adjust the coverage as needed. And once that's done, Geico is going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get a Geico motorcycle insurance quote. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.